Welcome back to another M&S Food Fresh Market update. Chris and I are here at Chewsley Farm because of these freshly picked raspberries.
As well as being a tasty snack containing vitamin C, these Sapphire Raspberries are the perfect ingredient for my spin on the classic Eton Mess. I've got some double cream.
OK.
All I'm going to do is get that whisk. There's so much natural sweetness in these raspberries. I'm not even going to add any sugar to the cream. They're so large, you really want to try and keep the texture.
Bit of bite.
Yeah.
Keep them chunky.
Keep them chunky. I'm just going to crumble meringue nests into there.
And how much coulis should I?
This is one of those recipes where you sort of play it by ear. Yeah, it comes out quite quick. Next step, really simple. We're just going to fold that into there.
Yeah,
put about half in now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good enough to eat already. Get our glasses, just drop a couple of fresh raspberries on the top, just to really showcase that Sapphire Raspberry.
Perfect. You can't bank on the weather, but you can bank on Eton Mess.
I like that.
Join me again, same time tomorrow from Chewsley Farm for another M&S Food Fresh Market update.